How to check song name on iPhone. To get started, first of all, find a song to play. As an example, I'll open up the Instagram app and go to Reels from the bottom panel. Once the music starts playing, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. In Control Center, find the music recognition button with the Shazam icon. Tap on Shazam to start listening to the song playing. If you see this prompt here, tap on Continue. The Shazam icon highlights on the top while it listens, so let the audio play clearly for a moment. When identified, a banner appears at the top with the song name and artist. Tap on the banner to open the result and see the full title, artist, and artwork. The result screen also shows playback options like opening the track in Apple Music. The result loads quickly and shows the key information at a glance. Following these steps, you can easily check a song name on your iPhone.